Okay, so say your name and where you're from.
Jon Bellman from Levon, Texas.
Okay, so you're going to be talking to us about this tractor, so tell us the kind of tractor it is and some of the history about it.
Sure, this is a 1945 B Farmall. It was made the last year of World War II, and one of the ways that we can authenticate that is the gear shift has a steel knob on there.
Can you show?
Yeah, so we know that they made them out of steel instead of rubber because of the World War II there.
Nice.
So it was originally purchased by a gentleman named Martin Joyce. He lived in Dial, Texas, which is in Fannin County, Texas, right up south of the Red River. And he was a cotton farmer, so this tractor was used exclusively for cultivating cotton.
Oh,
he
nice.
Had, best I remember, he had 3 of these tractors, and it was my stepfather's uncle, who Martin Joyce was. And about the time I met him and got to know these tractors, he was kind of slowing down and retiring from farming. Mm-hmm. My stepfather bought it from him, and we used it for our little small operation we had for several years, and then we quit doing that, and it turned into a garden tractor.
Okay.
Which my stepdad's John Avery. He's from Honey Grove, which is right outside of Dial, Texas, in Fannin County.
So that's where it was.
Yes, and
okay.
so it became a garden tractor for my mother and my stepdad for years, and then eventually they quit doing the garden, and it sat up behind the barn for several years, and weeds and everything else. So I asked, could I take it to do a restoration? And I took it home, and I hadn't got it restored. My friends taught me to take it to the shows just like it is, and now it gets more looks and pictures and comments than the restored tractors do a lot of the time. Makes my friends jealous.
So you want to just kind of point out some of the things that you had restored about it, or
The only thing as far as restoration I've done is I put 2 new front tires on it.
Oh my gosh!
Everything else
is original,
just like it was from when I first saw it in early 1970s. It hasn't had anything. It's been repainted one time, I know, but that's about it.
Okay. And the nickname for this tractor?
Oh, I have a friend that nicknamed it the Rust Bucket. Yes, that's what he calls it.
The famous rust bucket, which is going to be rusting a little more because it just started raining.
It's never been kept inside. It's been outside since 1945, its whole life. No protection.
Thank you.